Hello everyone. Today I will guide everyone how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 on a PC or laptop for everyone to play. First, everyone will open a browser for me. Next, everyone will go to the Steam homepage for me. I will put the website link and a comment below the video. When everyone clicks the link, this will appear. Then everyone selects Install Steam. Selects Install Steam. After downloading, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Everyone logs into their Steam account. Anyone who doesn't have a Steam account should create one. Everyone searches for Euro Truck Simulator to here. To download Euro Truck Simulator 2, we need to purchase the game. Everyone selects Add to Cart. Select View My Cart. Select Continue to Payment. Everyone will use a Visa card, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game will be in the Libraries section. Everyone will see Euro Truck Simulator to here. Everyone selects it. Select Install to download and install the game on the computer. After downloading and installing, everyone can play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on their PC.